Welcome to Ditch the Classroom. This is your host, Ariana Vernier, and I'm so excited that you're here. I'm a teacher turned business coach who is so passionate about helping fellow mamas like you ditch the classroom and pursue your big, hairy, scary dreams. Imagine a life where you could still impact the world, but do so while following your passions and spending more time with your babies. In Ditch the Classroom, we'll explore ways you can do just that. Myself, guest experts, and amazing teachers who have also built a successful business will share tools, tips, and resources to help you ditch the classroom too. Are you ready? Here we go.
Hello, and welcome back to the show. Hope you like my little song. All right, on today's episode, it's another Quick Tip Thursday episode where I'm answering a question that y'all have asked me. It's a short and sweet episode. But today's question is, how do I know what to charge as a new virtual assistant? And how do I know when to raise my prices? So to jump right in for how do I know what to charge as a new virtual assistant, I recommend starting at no less than $25 an hour. Start there because you're going to have to, pay taxes with that amount. You're going to have to save some of it to reinvest in your business. So you don't want to start any lower because then you're not really going to be making a whole lot. You may see people charging less than this, but that's because they're either A, living in another country where the cost of living is different, or B, they're not charging what they should and they're devaluing the work of virtual assistants. So please don't be a part of that problem. Start at least $25 an hour. And if you have any sort of experience in the service that you're offering, you can start higher. So minimum $25 an hour. That's what you should charge as a new virtual assistant, if not higher than that. All right. So as far as raising your prices, anytime you feel more confident in the services you're offering, you can raise your prices. If you've obtained proven results of your value as a service provider, you can raise your prices. So if you have testimonials to share, if you have data to show that what you're doing for your clients is working well, for example, maybe their social media posts, you can track the data and see how far those posts are reaching. If you can tell how those posts have helped with conversions, you can show that data. Facebook ads, obviously you can take screenshots of how that's working. Anything like that. If you can show that you are getting results for your clients, then that's a time to raise your prices. Anytime you've taken a new course or you've learned a new skill, raise those prices. Anytime you've been doing work for a client in a certain skill set for 3 months or more, raise those prices for the next client. The beauty of becoming a virtual assistant is that you get to raise your prices whenever you want. I don't want you to stay there forever just because you're scared to raise them and lose clients. If you have developed your skill set, you've become better in that service you're offering, then it's time to raise those prices. Okay. Told y'all this was going to be a short, quick, sweet episode. If you have any questions you want me to answer in the Quick Tip Thursday episodes, make sure you come into our free Facebook community, facebook.com/groups/ditch the classroom, and go to the Quick Tip Thursday post and post your question. I would be more than happy to answer it for you. All right, y'all. I love you so much, and we will see you next episode.
Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Before you go, make sure you take a minute to subscribe to the show, leave a rating and review, and check out the show notes for a free gift to help you ditch the classroom. If you loved today's episode, can you help me share the message by taking a screenshot, tagging me on Instagram @ariana.vernier, and sharing it with your friends so we can help more mamas ditch the classroom and follow their dreams. Until next week, y'all, keep following the dreams that were placed in your heart so you too can ditch the classroom.